Most adults in the USA take at least one supplement of any kind. This kind of dietary supplement includes vitamins, minerals, herbs, amino acids, or many different kinds of health-promoting ingredients. Now, a healthy and balanced diet can help you get a sufficient amount of essential nutrients. But most of the women also need dietary supplements included in their diets. Supplements such as calcium or vitamin D may be essential for meeting their needs. But women tend to miss out on these types of specific yet vital types of minerals and vitamins. You can ensure proper nutrients by increasing the consumption of certain kinds of foods. That's another way to keep your body getting all the necessary multivitamins. However, taking supplements is also important for many, ensuring overall goodness for your body. Now, the necessity and category of supplements are different for every group of individuals. For instance, multivitamin supplements are often suggested for pregnant and breastfeeding people. These supplements help with the psychological changes that take place during pregnancy as well as nursing. Like there may be nutrient deficiencies that arise during critical periods of growth and development. The deficiencies can cause severe and irreversible complications in both the person who is giving birth and the baby. Again, people who follow different types of food habit patterns like vegetarians, vegans, or the ones with food allergies may also need to intake supplements. Generally, these kinds of people need to make up for the missing nutrients and take the benefit from them. Additionally, as you age, your body's nutrient demand changes. A supplement then comes in handy to fulfill the gap. So in this video, you will know about the best supplements that a woman may need in her life.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Supplements are necessary for you to keep up with the lacking nutrients of your body. But as a woman, it's important for you to keep in mind that not all supplements available on the market are regulated by the FDA. There are many supplements out there that have questionable ingredients or make fake promises of boosting your energy and weight loss. These supplements cause more harm to you than being any good. So, it's important to select a high-quality supplement that is appropriate for your individual needs. So, it's best you talk to your doctor before you are adding supplements to your routine. Now, without further ado, let's check out the supplements we have rounded up for you. Vitafusion Women's Multivitamin Gummies is an essential multivitamin needed for women's health. It has B vitamins, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and D. There is also folic acid, biotin, iodine, calcium, and zinc in the supplement. It's recommended to have 2 serving Vitafusion gummies. A daily serving of 2 gummies contains 15 calories and 3 grams of sugar. Moreover, Vitafusion Women's Multivitamin Gummies is formulated without iron and it provides you with vitamins and minerals. These chewable multivitamins support energy, metabolism, bone health, immune health, and the absorption of calcium. Optimum Nutrition Opti-Women is more than just any other multivitamin. It's a nutrient optimization system that provides you with 40 active ingredients. It also includes 23 vitamins and minerals, which are specifically designed to support your nutrient needs. The supplement has 17 special ingredients in it. It also has 150 milligrams of calcium. There are 18 milligrams of iron per 2 capsule servings. This supplement is best for active women and is made with Vegetarian Society approved V-caps. You can consume 2 of these capsules with food and they will support cellular energy and metabolism, bone health as well as immunity for your overall well-being. Vital Vitamins Multi-Collagen Pills is a multivitamin supplement that is a potent blend of hydrolyzed collagen peptides. The hydrolyzed collagen peptides is derived from grass-fed beef, chicken bone, broth and eggshell. The supplement comes in the form of small capsules and contains types 1, 2, 3, 5 and 10 collagen. The 5 types of collagen hydrolyzates provide you with a youthful skin, boosts the growth of your hair and nails, and provides joint support. Each of the pills is enhanced with Dutch SEB for enhanced absorption of collagen. This supplement doesn't contain any gluten and wheat, plus it supports your health, strength and beauty. The sources are non-GMO, cruelty-free and hormone-free, so you can take these supplements without worrying a bit. To ensure daily nutritional support for women, the Nature-Made Women's Multivitamin Tablets is a great option to opt for. This supplement is made of 23 key nutrients, and it is a great source of folic acid, which is an important B vitamin for pregnant women and women of childbearing age. The supplement also provides 100% daily value of iron and vitamin D in it, ensures support for bone, teeth, muscle and immune health. Calcium in this supplement aids in building and supporting strong bones. The supplement supports general wellness and it is sourced from high-quality ingredients. Additionally, it is gluten-free and doesn't contain artificial flavors or added colors. Thinking of our immune, gut or joint system, we often forget about our vaginal health, which is an important aspect for the overall well-being of every woman. The Garden of Life Doctor Formulated Probiotics Once Daily Women's Shelf-Stable 30 capsules are specially formulated to support the vaginal as well as digestive and immune system health of women. Created by Dr. Perlmutter, this supplement supports women's microbiome and it has 50 billion CFU plus 16 probiotic strains altogether. The supplement has shelf-stable potency promise and it contains added L-reuteri and L-fermentum probiotics. This supplement is gluten, soy and dairy-free and it contains an organic whole food prebiotic fiber blend to ensure optimal benefit. The vegetarian capsules do not require any refrigeration as well. That was all about the 5 best supplements for women, which will ensure optimum benefits for a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends if you find our videos useful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.